Girl, I just ripped my lace.
Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so fully belly. Yeah, come on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faye, back with another synthetic wig tutorial. Whew. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already read from the title, I'm going to be doing a synthetic wig series. This is my first series ever, so I'm very excited. I bought like 5 synthetic wigs and I've never ever tried them on before. Like, this is completely new for me. But honestly, from what I can tell, these wigs all look so bomb. I'm going to be posting weekly, so make sure y'all turn on post notifications so you will never miss a video. And don't forget to comment your favorite wigs, or if you have any other suggestions for wigs that you want me to try, just leave them below and I will try them, because I have been looking for synthetic wigs. Like, they are honestly so slept on. Also, I almost missed this. I'm going to be doing a giveaway since this is my first ever wig series and I want to kick it off with a big bang. Alright, in this series I'm going to be showing you guys how I light my knots, how I pluck a little bit, how I install my lace, how I style it. I'm going to be showing you guys start to finish everything. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm super excited for this series because I feel like synthetic wigs are so slept on, but the hardest part about them is finding like actually good wigs. So the first video in this synthetic wig series, I wanted to start off with a bang. It is fall and I feel like this is the perfect fall color. This is the Cloud 9 What Lace Hair Illusion Lace Wig. Honestly, this is it, so y'all can see what it looks like. This is the Solana wig, and I've actually bought this wig before, this exact same wig in a different color. I believe it was a burgundy color, and y'all, it looked so amazing. So I already know that this is gonna be another banger. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Look at that. Look at that highlight. Look at those highlights. So this is the close-up of the hairline. It is a bit more fuller than I actually expected. All right, let's get started. As usual, I'm starting off with my bonnet, but underneath is my wig cap. The usual. Oh, wow. Why do I look a hot mess? What is this? Now I just tinted that to make it match my skin tone more, and I feel like that already made such a difference. I don't know, this is so bad. I feel like the lace is too flimsy, like it's just falling apart. Okay, so since the lace basically just ripped off, I don't really have to cut any of the lace because it's kind of perfect. I don't know if they did that on purpose. I doubt they did. It lines up perfectly with where my hair tabs need to be, so I guess I can just start installing the lace. Because I don't wear synthetic wigs for a long time, I don't want to do a whole bald cap method just for, you know, the hair to be used for one day.
What are you doing? You want to, but you can't let go. What are you doing? You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you used to call, hit me up, yeah, just to talk, telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a mess now. Laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake got her extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating pills when I run out of mine. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. It's something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened to crazy.
interject real quickly because, as I said earlier, I've already bought this exact wig before. I'll leave a link to this to the install right here, and it was plucked way better than this. This is looking very, very, very wiggy. So I mean, it's gonna take a lot more effort to try to make it look way more natural.
What do you do when you can't give the feeling up, thinking about us, riding through the city and I'm missing you. Now I'm reminiscing on stupid shit when we couldn't afford a lift and piggyback and me 3 blocks when my feet hurt. Bet you off of this boulevard, we reasons been apart, nothing but a hurt from the start.
I would say baby hairs is really just trial and error and practice. If you do have problems laying your baby hairs, I saw on TikTok that a lot of people use this kind of miniature curling iron to like prep their hair. I just don't want to put too much heat on the synthetic wig. I know it can take heat, but I just don't feel like it's necessary, and I don't know what I would do if I burn off my edges.
Off your chest with all the details, and if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened, the crazy phone, no control, spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets off the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak.
This is my favorite step, and I don't know why I can't seem to shake it, but after I finish my edges, I always like to spray one layer of Got To Be all over their hairline, and it just kind of like melts everything in like a special way. Ooh. And then I quickly tie my hair up.
No, she can no need to see you. Off your chest with all the details, and if you lie to me, that's cheap, 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 cheap.
Okay.
Tell me what happened to be a crazy phone. Switched it up, and now I know I'm not.
Yeah, I have no clue if I want to do a middle or side part, so I'm gonna do both for you guys, because middle is kind of giving me life.
That I'm in feels too big without you.
I love how much parting space it has. It has so much.
Don't know how to quit thinking about you. Those green eyes, sweet lips, your hands on my hips, our puzzle pieces fit. These sheets, your smell, can't be by myself. I'm asking for your help. What I need you to do is love me. Love me. What I need you to do is love me. Love me. We dance in the dark, but I see you clearly.
Like, I'm actually really feeling myself right now, and I didn't expect to, especially how we saw how it was in the middle. It did not look like it was going to turn out like this. It didn't, but we serve a miracle working God. Oh, and the edges. Okay. So let me go ahead and try the side part, and then we're going to see which one we like more.
Your hands all over my body.
I think I'm going to give it apart. I feel like it'll make it look a little bit more real. I do that.
Love me. Yeah. What I need you to do is love me. Love me.
Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I don't know. Okay, so which one do you guys like more? Do you like middle part? Do you like side part? Because I'm kind of feeling the side part more. Comment below, because I really am curious to see what you guys' thoughts are on this wig, because I think I'm obsessed. One thing about synthetic wigs that I was surprised about is that it really does go back to its shape. Ooh, so sometimes when you see some knots, if you just comb it out with like a wide tooth comb, you can kind of get it to go back to its shape. Okay guys, I absolutely love the side part. I feel like it's just a bit of me. I normally wear a side part with everything, and I feel like this is no different. The fact that this turned out so well, I'm already excited for this series. I already know it's gonna be amazing. I really do wish that this wig had a bit more customization. I didn't really pluck anything, so what you're seeing is what you get. So at least you guys know that you can wear it without plucking it. But if I were to purchase this wig again, I definitely would go in with tweezers and pluck it way more because it is a bit wiggy. But I'm not mad at it. Like, it's $50. Like, I honestly can't really complain too much with this wig. And also let me know if you guys have any suggestions for any synthetic wigs that you guys want me to try, or do you guys want me to feature on my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also turn on post notifications so you'll be notified on any video that I drop. I know there's at least 4 more synthetic wig videos on the way, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And I almost forgot about the giveaway. If y'all made it this far, this is how you enter to win one of these amazing wigs in this series. You must be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. You must like this video. And lastly, comment your IG name in the comment section so I know how to contact you. Good luck, everyone.
A material mess, worried about how to talk, how to dress.